Candida here, and this is a 2-pack of the large digital magnetic timer. What I love about these is they're magnetic and they stick to a whiteboard. These are great for the classroom. These are great to be a kitchen timer. I could stick these to my refrigerator as well. It does have a clear seal across the front, so when you get it, you'll just peel that off, and you can see the large digits here. It does require a AAA battery, and so you'll want to put that in, and then to start it, you just simply hit the start button. And just like that, it starts going. In order to stop it, you can stop, you can clear it, you can set it for a certain amount of time. So if we want 1 minute, we can count the timer down. This is great when kids are working on an activity and it needs to be timed. It's great for going to the gym and doing a certain amount of exercise. Overall, these have worked great. I simply stick the battery in, I can set it. Another feature is it will save the last time I set a timer, so I don't always have to go in and redo it. It has a memory function as well. Overall, these have been a great addition, not only to school, but in the home. So I hope you found the review helpful.